So Copilot by default looks a certain way, and if you want to go around and change its appearance and theme, then you can go around onto the three dot button right here and then go to the appearance section around over here. So right now this is light, but you can also go around for the dark look right here, and you get the dark look of the Copilot, as you can see, just like this. You can go around over here onto appearance and also select system default, which takes your system's preference and then will choose the appearance accordingly with that. You can also go around onto themes right here and apply different backgrounds, as you can see right here. Let me just minimize out the appearance, and over here you can see that I can go around and add in the backgrounds, as you can see right here. So let me just go around, select out this or this or this, as you can see right here, and depending on what you want, you can see that you can go around and choose the graphics that you want to keep around over here on the top, and then you see that over here the theme gets simply applied right here. So that is how you can go around and work around with appearance and theme inside of Microsoft Copilot and get Microsoft Copilot looking the way you want. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.